first video with my voiceover. So if you don't like my voice, even I don't like my voice, so let's not judge. So there has been a confirmation and the postponement of our NEET exam, that is to 13th of September by our HRD Minister Deraya Durastai. So at least there has been an announcement finally. After this announcement, I thought of making this video about the channels I follow for NEET revision. I've been getting few requests for that already. I'm not a big scholar or anything, but the channels I follow, I'm following them from past 2 months and they have benefited me a lot. So I'm just sharing it on to my friends, that's you. So I follow two channels for physics. One is Physics Galaxy Sirs and other is Hello Bachcho channel. In Physics Galaxy, I follow the checklist videos, which is a playlist made by a separate channel named Future IIT, and I don't know who it is, but very thankful to him for making a playlist of this. All videos are from Physics Galaxy, but the playlist is different. So I'll provide the link of this playlist in my description. Check that out from there. What the special thing about this series is that he has covered almost all the topics that are important and will come for JEE Mains and NEET at the same time. And since JEE Main is a priority the sir has kept in for these videos, we are gonna get more than what we need for NEET, and that is important actually. It's not JEE Mains only type of thing. For NEET it is very mandatory, even for scoring 100 plus, I feel, after watching these videos. The other thing is Hello Bachcho, NEET and JEE. The sir has had provided the videos, that is one shot videos before, but the playlist is not there anymore, and I have seen all the videos already, so I don't search for it again. But the ones here available is Physics Formulas in one shot and Physics Shortcut and Trick series playlist. Both are very useful, but the one I'm talking about is a one shot video for every single chapter. What I do is now I'm following these videos right now because I finished all the Hello Bachcho videos. What happens in Hello Bachcho videos is he does the theory and the problems together, but they're of a certain level, and I find Physics Galaxy's videos a bit more elaborated, and you just check out on your own for which suits you. But I explored this playlist a lot later, so I'm more on exploring level right now. But I follow both of them for physics. It's another channel that is Physics Wala. Everyone knows about Physics Wala. But what I feel about Physics Wala is to follow his videos, you need to have a span of 5 months or 6 months for NEET. Like he does not have a video made for the whole chapter in 1 hour or half an hour. It's for the people who are studying for NEET with a long time span for them. So I'm making video. This video is only for revision purpose. This is for NEET 2020 for my batch for studying along with me. So these two channels I'm suggesting, in my opinion, are the best right now, with everything that we need at the right amount of time to be completed. Galaxy and Hello Bachcho for physics. Coming towards chemistry, I'm following Komali ma'am's videos very regularly. Almost every day I see her one or the other video, because she has made plenty of videos containing all the short tricks, the trends for inorganic chemistry, the formulas, how to remember the physical chemistry formulas. Every single thing is very nicely organized, and the videos are all so helpful. I need you guys to check this out personally, and you will have some benefits from these videos. really good for the chapters that you think you're forgetting, but the key concepts are discussed in these videos. So for revision, really good. And she has also started making videos on Abhyas test series recently. She has finished almost 3 videos right now. So check this channel out, Kamali Mams for chemistry. The other channel I use for chemistry is Vedantu NEET Made Easy. This is specifically for chemistry I follow because of Arvind sir. Arvind sir's one-shot videos are so good for finishing the whole chapter in an hour or half in 1.5 hours. You can finish almost the whole chapter with every concept covered from Arvind sir. I'm not sure about the physics and biology part of this channel because I have never checked for it, because I already have other channels that I follow. So Arvind sir's chemistry from Vedantu. I follow 3 channels that I have kept for specific purposes. Beats for Biology channel is only for when I want to revise the NCERT, and that I do from this one playlist that I have saved already, NEET 2019 Quick Revision, that is here. In this series, the videos are covering the complete NCERT chapter that is very important for NEET. We have to completely by heart the whole textbook actually, and by this video you can do it. The sir explains, bio sir explains the chapter along with reading the whole lines, but also because the pages are turning in front of your eyes, by seeing the video again and again, those lines are imprinted in your brain, that will be very helpful when you're attempting the exam. The other channel I use for biology is Study with Fun by Vipin Sharma sir. Vipin Sharma sir, who are following him from a long time, know him as Vipin Sharma biology tutorials, and I've been following from a long time. I see his videos when I want to study a chapter from zero or from scratch, or some when I forget a chapter, and that has happened in genetics actually. So I have seen his video for genetics and plant physiology. He is very good for he's very good in all chapters, and I've seen all of his videos actually, but recently he has started making different types of videos. I was following from a long time, so I have saved his other videos already to watch what, and I feel like I'm weak in plant physiology and other botany chapters. For zoology, I have saved Anand Mani sir's videos. This is perfect for NEET. It is really good. Human physiology part actually is what you need for NEET. He has explained the topics for human physiology so elaborately that you can attempt any question on the go right away. He is so good in these videos. These are the channels I follow for revision. That is Physics Galaxy is this playlist that will be in the description. Hello Bachcho, actually I forgot to say this thing. In the Hello Bachcho app, the videos that I was talking about is there, plus you can also give tests for free and retest the same test that you have given already. That's very beneficial, but the thing is that only Android has this feature. And Kamali ma'am, Vedantu for chemistry, uh, Beats for biology for NCERT revision, botany and plant physiology ozone classes, and human physiology and zoology in general, Dr. Anmani sir's videos. That's all that I have for the revision part that I do regularly. um, I hope it's beneficial for you too. Please give it 1 hour 2 hours, just check these out if it suits you. This is my opinion, and by my opinion, I am not saying that any channel, any other teachers that I have not talked about, or any other channel that I have not mentioned is not good. It's just that I may not have explored them, or these are too good for me to go to other channels. every other sir that comes on YouTube to teach is has a good intention, that is to teach you, to educate you, and push you forward to be a doctor. Thank you. So I also got a request on to share how to not procrastinate or waste time. I think everyone procrastinates at this moment when we have a lot of time sitting at home, and we have a lot to study, but also no one's watching us, so we procrastinate anyways. We go into YouTube or play games or anything. So I don't think there's anyone who has not wasted time. Everyone has done it, even the toppers have done it, but getting control over it is a different thing, and very less people do that. So this is how I have got into controlling my procrastination. I have not got complete control, maybe 60-70%, but this is how I did it. um, I'm not flexing. This is just how I have tried to get control over it. So what I did was I made a separate Gmail ID of mine to make a different YouTube account of mine, so that I only follow channels or watch videos that are beneficial for me for long term. So you can see the bar here that has all the recommendations. This is what you actually see every day. So I have need in the top, the note taking, medical schools, mornings, lectures, study skill, motivation, and a lot of stuff. And Harry Potter, I watch a bit of Harry Potter videos because I'm a Harry Potter fan. So this is how, except for NEET, this is what I watch around to spend time. Follow some people who are linked to medical field, like Karma Medic. He's a student of MBBS in UK. Then Ali Abtal, even he's an MBBS student in America. Then Anas Noor Ali, even he's a student of MBBS in UK. Then this Sanko Kun is an IITian from Hyderabad. But there's also an Indian MBBS student, is Anuj Pachel. I find his videos a lot motivating towards MBBS. This is what I do. If I'm feeling low or I'm wasting time around, then I watch videos of Anuj and Kama Medic, Ali Abtal, Anas Noor Ali, who are in the medical field, and watching their videos makes you feel that you have to get into medical field anyhow. You follow Dr. Raga. Watching videos of doctors helps you in getting into thinking that this is how your life should be. So that's how I spend my useless time, if you say. I can't even frame the word for it, but this is how I procrastinate. That's in simple I would want to say. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope it has been beneficial in some or the other way to you, and thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe, and please do the suggestions in comments of what should be the next topic for the video. And thank you for watching. Bye.